Hey everyone. Yeah, if Google Chrome feels broken, slow, or just acting strange on your PC, resetting it can often fix everything. Let's go step by step. First, open Google Chrome, click the three dot menu in the top right corner, then choose Settings. Inside Settings, scroll all the way down and click Reset Settings. Yeah, it's usually near the bottom. Now click Restore Settings to their original defaults. This prepares Chrome for a full reset. A confirmation window will appear. Click Reset Settings to continue. Chrome will now reset your startup page, new tab page, search engine, and pinned tabs. I mean, your bookmarks and saved passwords. Stay safe. Once done, close Chrome and reopen it. Yeah, this ensures all changes apply properly. After resetting, your extensions will be disabled. Just head to Extensions and turn on the ones you trust. Now browse a few websites and see how Chrome feels. In most cases, it should be smoother and faster, and that's it. Resetting Chrome is one of the easiest ways to fix persistent issues. Yeah, simple but very effective.